Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, 30 feet. 30 feet of the snow. You can see the height. Over 30 centimeter. Yeah. That's to show you the height of the snow right now. It's over 30 centimeter height of snow. And more is still coming down, as you can see from the sky. Hey guys in Nigeria, if you wanna still come to Canada, that is it. Of course, it's a very prosperous country with lots and lots of opportunities. But hey, you're gonna deal with this snow. That's it. You're gonna deal with it. If you wanna still live in this country, this is what you're gonna be facing. Yeah, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm going to work, and you just have to contend with this. Oh yeah, that's it, man. This is Evios TV reporting live on Toronto, Canada. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, look at this. This is the bus stop. It's covered in snow. You're not gonna be able to step in there. Yeah, because of the heavy snow downpour. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna be standing here to wait for the bus. It comes through, so I'm gonna go to work. Yeah, this is Evidos TV reporting live from Toronto, Canada. That's it. Stay connected to this channel for more updates on the snow situation condition in Canada. Toronto precisely. Thank you for watching. And we're going to be coming forward with more updates concerning this, so you don't miss anything at all. Yeah, that's it. Oh, yo. Hey, this is for real, man. Oh my God. You want to see this? This is the 4th of February, sorry, the 4th of March 2023. Hey, this is height of it. You can see that. Just look at this. Yeah, that's it. Hey, this is unprecedented, man. Hey. This is unprecedented.